Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice Azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter ECOBOOST engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that nice sport appearance package. We do get rear park sensing, you do get a tow hitch, backup camera, got that nice little bed, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection, the XLT logo, and moving to the front we do get a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior, you got floor mats. We do have storage underneath, which is pretty handy. A little storage cubby here, USB, USB-C, and 120. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got power door mirrors, which is pretty nice. Hello. And of course we do have our lights all on our left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, the Ford logo, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, your off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we have our gear select. You got your speeds, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, traction, 4-wheel drive. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. We do get our nice cup holders, storage right here, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, leather up center console with tons of storage. You even get a 12-volt down there. You got all your climate controls at the bottom and on the screen here. Little storage cubby, storage below. Looking here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Sirius, and Bluetooth capabilities. We're going to go into here. All our apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sketch, and Towing. Vehicle. So you have all your vehicle settings just right here. And we do get our backup camera, which is pretty nice. Continuing, let me go back. Continuing our look, we have our phone, navigation, audio, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE69765, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.